Find problems on the coast. Problem 1. Reduce sales high speeds. Store competition from the two chain stores have made it difficult for to maintain its position in the market as many of the certificate products are at low price. Similarly, unitary spending with the family cause a decrease in the capital and investment. Problem 2. In a decade closet in the inventory manager with not having effective closet in the supply chain, this general excessive cost while suppliers as well allows the mer- merchants increases the loss due to logistical errors, lack of monitoring and evaluation of indicators. Problem 3. Lack of procedures in accordance with legal regulation. And employment and better quality of life for social security payment and formal contracts are not generally used. Thank you.